Now in this case let's draw the velocity time graph. हम लोग ने पहले किया था displacement time graph. Now let's continue for velocity time graph. Okay, velocity time graph चलो मान लेते हैं ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं यूनिफॉर्म मोशन का, क्योंकि उससे हम लोग सारा प्रूफ्स करेंगे हम. ठीक है, तो चलो for uniform motion, that is the same as that displacement time graph. For that you need to find out here like that. It's what? VT graph. So that is time, x-axis, y-axis. Here you need to write velocity. Okay, that is v time, that is t. That is what? 0. Put like that. Like that. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 10, 15, 15, then 20, 25. Okay. So like that. If you join it, uniform है ना, अच्छे से जा रहा है मतलब पूरा, no issue. You need to draw like that, But some important thing you need to learn here from this graph. After drawing, join all the points. You got a straight line, isn't it? This straight line, this slope gives acceleration. Remember that. Acceleration. Okay. And this, so let's write here. Acceleration मतलब क्या होता है? Slope of the velocity time graph. And slope means what? Y-axis by x-axis will give you the slope. Y-axis by x-axis. So y-axis क्या होता है? Y-axis का value by x-axis का value. What is that? That is what? Velocity. And that is what? Time. So it came to that definition that acceleration gives you velocity by time. Okay, that you can get from the uniform motion graph. Now another term you'll also get from this graph, that is called displacement. मतलब ये वाला, this thingy, oh, the area under the slope. The area under the slope will give you displacement. Okay, area. That is what? Area. And slope gives acceleration. So area. Next is displacement. Area under the slope. ये एरिया जो है ना, इस स्लोप के नीचे, पूरा इस स्लोप के नीचे जो एरिया है ना, that part will give you the displacement. What is that area? Half, I guess it's a right angle triangle, so that will be what? Half into base, मान लो base into height. एक हमारा फॉर्मूला है एरिया का. एरिया ऑफ ए ट्रायंगल इज हाफ into base into height. तो मान लो ये O ये A तक है, that is what? Point B. So half into OA into AB. That will give you the displacement. तो याद रखना, the slope from the velocity time graph will give you the acceleration, and the area under the slope of the velocity time graph will give you the displacement. याद रखना ये दो चीजें. हम लोग जैसे जानते हैं कि displacement time graph से हम लोग को velocity मिलता है. Okay, but from the velocity time graph we get two terms. Unlike the displacement time graph that we get one term, but in this case from the velocity time graph we get two physical quantities, that is acceleration, which is the slope, and the area under the slope, which will give you the displacement. Area क्या होता है? Multiply होता है. area में देखो multiply हो गया. So basically what displacement क्या होता है? तुम लोग को फॉर्मूला में था ना, displacement क्या था? वो तुम्हारा velocity into time है. ये the velocity into time. Velocity into time. ये velocity तुम्हारा वो है, तुम्हारा height है, और time तुम्हारा base है. Okay? Understood? This velocity is the height and time is the base. तो हो गया ना, half into base into height. Half into मतलब वही velocity वो तुम्हारा होगा, तुम्हारा वो height होगा, और time तुम्हारा वो होगा, तुम्हारा base होगा. Like this, you need to find out the displacement. If graphs are given, now with the help of this idea, we need to solve equations of motions. Now for that we need to brush up some of the formula. Okay, so let's go into the next video.